Hey guys, today's video is about how to replace the AUX port on the Honda Civic 2011. I think this method works on all models from 2006 to 2011. And the problem is I was having recently I was having problem with my AUX port. It wasn't working properly, so I troubleshooted and figured out the issue. So in the end, I noticed that I have to replace the aux port by itself. So first I'm going to show you what kind of trouble I was facing, and after that I'm going to show you how to replace the aux port. Alright, so let's start. So I have this aux cable over here, and I took the cap off already, so don't worry about that. It might look a little different than you guys have in your car. So if I plug the aux port in, and I'll start my car, and if you see, it's showing the radio right now. If I press this button, it's not showing me the aux port. It should show the aux over here, but which it is not right now. So first I thought I was having a problem with this button. This button's not working properly, but that was not the case. So if I hold this cable and push it towards the right a little bit, now I see the aux port. That means the cable, the port itself is I think like loosen or something. So that means it's not holding the cable properly. So that's why I ordered the aux port replacement from eBay. That's like $12. That's not a big amount. So you can order too if you have any trouble going on like that. So let me turn off my car and take this off, and we're just gonna this is how it looks like. This is the replacement I ordered online from eBay. So this is the top cap that stays outside, and this thing goes all the way in, and there's a pin back there, which is this is the connector that's connected in the back end. So let's see how to replace it. So you can what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this inner piece out only, because I have to just replace this. I don't want to take off this also, because I don't have to. So if you just grab it from a plier and just take it out, this piece you just need to take out, and we're just gonna put a new one in. So this piece is right inside this little black box, so I have to put my phone down and take out this. How you can take it out is there's a clip, one over here and two on the back side. You just need to take off these clips, and just this cap will come off. All right, so if you want to replace the whole piece, that's not a big deal. If you see two clips on the side, one here and one on this side, so you can pull this whole piece out from here, and you can just replace the whole piece in. But there'll be a connector on the back side. You can connect that connector over here. I'll be all good. So in my case, I don't feel like doing it because I don't have to. So just try to avoiding the extra work. Alright, so I have to put my phone down for a second, and I hope you guys can see all that. Alright, so there's a clip over here, one on this side. Took it off. Same thing, this is the piece I'm trying to take out, like I did with the from the car itself. Alright, so this piece is out, so we're gonna put this new piece in back again. Alright, so you guys have to be a little careful, because these are the pins. They can bend, so don't put too much pressure. So you just need to do it like this. The way you have to remember that we took it out, so you can easily put it back the same way. Alright, so just trying to do it, not putting too much pressure. Alright, it's back in, so let's double check. I'm gonna push the cable in, and I'm gonna start my car. So if I press this button right here, I switch to the aux port. So that means the aux port is working properly now. So That's all for the video today. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys one more thing, how to put the cap back on. So I'm just gonna take this cable off. I'm going to switch my car off also. Right here, so the cap is right here. That's the cap, I took it off earlier. Alright, so it goes, the single side goes on top side. Alright, so if you do that, you guys can easily see everything is all good. So that's all for today. Peace out.